Hi, I'm Chica. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. ChuChuTV surprise! Hi! Pick me! Thank you! We would like to open the violet egg, Mr. Harlo. Open. 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 Surprise! 5 colorful balloons.
Can you tell me the shape of these balloons?
Ooh, round?
No, they are ovals. Don't they look like the shape of a watermelon?
Yes, they do, Mr. Harlo.
Let's say it again.
5 colorful balloons. Pick me. Thank you.
Shall we open the green egg now? Open. Open. Open.
Surprise!
Wow! Paints and brushes!
Yeah!
Now, give me a balloon, please. I'll show you some magic. All of you, close your eyes. And now, 1, 2, and 3. You may open your eyes.
Magic! The balloon has become a watermelon.
I'll show you how I did the magic. I just painted these colors on the balloon.
Hooray! We did it too!
Well done, kids! Let's say it again.
Paints and brushes! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the orange egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Amazing! Watermelon carving!
Very creative, right?
Yes, Mr. Harlo.
Now, I will carve a watermelon for you.
This is so cute and funny, Mr. Harlo.
Thank you, kids!
Can we also do a watermelon carving, Mr. Harlo?
Sure, kids. Here are the watermelons. Go for it!
Thanks so much, Mr. Harlo.
Don't waste these pieces of watermelon. You can squeeze them and put the juice on your face. It's good for your skin.
Okay, Mr. Harlo.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Watermelon carving! Thank you! Let's open up the blue egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! Watermelon bags! Yeah!
I will give one to each of you.
Thank you, Mr. Harlo. They are so cool.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Watermelon bags!
Now, let me tell you the benefits of eating watermelon.
Sure, Mr. Harlo.
As you have seen, watermelons are green on the outside, but deep red on the inside. Watermelons quench our thirst, especially during the summer when the weather is extremely hot. Watermelons can be eaten raw or can be made into juice. Just by drinking a cup of watermelon juice, we get energized. So, during watermelon season, you should eat watermelons as much as possible.
Sure, Mr. Harlo. Thank you for telling us the benefits of watermelon. Melon, watermelon, fruit that comes from heaven, shaped oval, green in color, quench your thirst forever. Deep red, sweet, juicy pulp makes you want to eat in a gulp. Eat it pulpy, raw, or juice it up. Stay energized just after a cup. Melon, watermelon, fruit that comes from heaven, shaped oval, green in color, quench your thirst forever. Melon, watermelon, fruit that comes from heaven, shaped oval, green in color, quench your thirst forever. Deep red, sweet, juicy pulp makes you want to eat in a gulp. Eat it pulpy, raw, or juice it up. Stay energized just after a cup. Melon, watermelon, melon, fruit that comes from heaven, heaven, shaped oval, green in color, quench your thirst forever. Forever!
Now, tell me, what did you learn today?
We learned to do some creative things with watermelon, like turning a balloon into a watermelon, thorough transformation, carving faces into watermelons, fantastic formation. We learned the benefits of eating watermelon. Interesting information.
Excellent, kids!
Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
Time to go home. See you again.